My name's Daryl. Welcome to 63 and Counting Tools and Do-It-Yourself. It's the Inside Track Club's what I'm going to focus on today. First off, starting now through the 30th of July, 30% off all paintbrushes, rollers, if you buy 2 or more. And then we got several deals. We also have that 15% off any single item coupon this weekend. So that's a great deal. You can make your own sale. But anyway, let's jump right in here. Several items, so I'll go as quickly as possible. First off, we got the U.S. General 56 by 22 inch rolling cabinet. It's a Series 3, multiple colors available. I believe it has all 9 in this particular item. Save $120 down to $779.99 from $899.99. Got that Icon 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric modular general service socket set. $89.99, save $30, regular $119. U.S. General's 4-drawer tech cart, $149. That's a heck of a savings on that. Saves $70 off the $219 price, all 9 colors. End cabinets are a great deal as well. Save $40 from $279 to $239.99 in all the great colors. You get Bauer's 20-volt cordless 3/8 ratchet. This is the tool only, so if you don't have the battery architecture, you're going to need to at least pick you up a battery. $49.99. Next, we have U.S. General's 27 inch by 22 inch top chest, all 9 colors. Save $60 down to $209.99 when you're Inside Track Club membership. Save 25% on this 7.5 inch 20 millimeter long throw random orbit DA polisher. This is plug-in, so no batteries needed here. $59.99. Continue to have super deals on their bottle jacks. Here's a 12-ton low-profile bottle jack, $29.99, save 25%. Here's another 25% savings on a nice Icon 1000-lumen dual-sided rechargeable slim bar light with a UV inspection, $44.99, down from $59.99. Pittsburgh's 1/2 inch drive composite quick-release ratchet for $7.99. That's a heck of a buy, save 33%. Hey, these pliers ain't the best pliers you're ever going to use, but to have around just anywhere you need some handy, in the shed, in the basement, in the well house, in your glove box, $9.99, you get a full set of 6 pliers, 33% off. Bauer's 7.5 inch variable speed hammer drill, $29.99, save 33% off the $44.99 price. Pittsburgh 2.5 CFM vacuum pump for $74.99, save 25%. Icon's extra long professional double metric box flex ratcheting wrench set. Man, can't get my words out this morning. Save $50 now, $179.99. These deals are good till 7:30. Bauer's 5.5 amp 15 inch electric string trimmer, $34.99. Pittsburgh's Creepers 2-in-1 mechanic seat and creeper, save 27%, down to $39.99 from $54.99. Says 2 options on the Icon 3/8 inch drive professional crowfoot wrench set, save 38%. So the 2 options are going to be SAE or metric. $39.99 down from $64.99 for a quality Icon product. If you're in that architecture or wanting to get into it, there's you a good buy. Pittsburgh 29.5 inch telescoping magnetic pickup tool. Always handy to have several of these around at different spots. Pick them up for $259 a piece, down from $549. That's a 52% savings on that one. Here's the Icon T8 Professional Intelligent Diagnostic Scanner. Normally $899.99, but you can save $120 with your membership, $779.99. Icon's Professional Metric Combination Wrench Set, $99.99, down from $119. Bauer's 20-volt cordless hedge trimmer. That's going to be your 20-volt. You're going to need the battery, but you can save 30% right now if you pick it up during your July Inside Track Club membership savings. Bauer's 24-inch tool bag with 16 pockets, save 26%, down to $21.99. U.S. General's top chest, 9 different colors, save $100, $499.99 down from $599. Here's your SAE version of that combination wrench set for $99, save $20. 28% savings on these US General 15 slot organizers, $9.99. That is a pair. So $9.99 for the pair. Bauer's 2400 CFM 1/3 horsepower floor blower, save $30, $169.99 down from $199.99. Pittsburgh's T-handle SAE and metric wrench set, $14.99, save 25%. Pittsburgh 72-inch frame level, save 28%, down to $14.99. That's a great buy on that level. It's a nice 6-foot long level. Icon's Master Brake caliper set, 20 pieces for $49.99. That's a 28% savings from $69.99 with your Inside Track Club membership. Icon Professional socket extension set, saving 25% on those this month, down from $34.99 to $29.99. Here's a 50% savings on these wire strippers. I actually have these set for $2.99, save 50%. Doesn't hurt to have them around. Like I said, a lot of these tools are inexpensive enough you can keep them in multiple spots. You don't have to run and get something every time you're in the shed or in the basement. Pittsburgh's ratcheting screwdriver set, down 35% to $8.99. Bauer's multi-material oscillating multi-tool blade set for $9.99. That's a 41% saving. Pittsburgh's radiator pressure tester kit for $69.99, down from $99.99, save 30%. 2 options of the Icon color-coded L-shaped ball end key hex set, $15.99, save 38%. So the 2 options obviously is SAE and metric. Pittsburgh's double-ended metric flare nut wrench set, also in metric or SAE, save 29% for $11.99. Pittsburgh swivel pad C-clamps, locking pliers for $5.99, save 33%. Bauer's 15-amp plug-in portable concrete saw, save $60 on this deal, $239.99 down from $299. How about Pittsburgh's pneumatic brake fluid bleeder and auto refill kit? 33% off, $19.99. If you're needing one of these or replace one you've had for years, that's a deal. Bauer's 15-amp 7-inch trigger grip angle grinder, $69.99, save 30%, down from $99.99. Icon's 3/8-inch drive 40 to 200-inch professional compact click torque wrench. This is Icon now, $99.99, down from $119. Icon's 2100 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic 77-inch extendable underhood floodlight. Man, that thing ought to throw the light. Save 36%, $63.99 down from $99.99. How about Bauer's carbide router bit set? 15 pieces now. Save 21%, $29.99. Bauer's 20-volt cordless inflator. This is a tool only, but $19.99. Save 33%. Be a good thing to add to your Bauer collection. Bauer self-leveling 360 horizontal crossline laser level, $79.99, save 20%. Here's Pittsburgh's 10-inch groove joint pliers, $3.99, save 42%. Pittsburgh ratchet, it's a 3/8-inch drive teardrop, $9.99, save 33%, down from $14.99. Icon's ratchet, this is a G2 1/4-inch drive, 9-inch long lock flex ratchet with comfort grip. Say that 4 times before breakfast. $44.99. Bauer's 5/8 amp 4.5-inch compact circular saw, save 25%. This is a corded item, $44.99. Pittsburgh's 8-pound fiberglass sledgehammer, $21.99. Here's Pittsburgh's 1-pound neon orange dead blow hammer. Pick them up for $3.99. Save 50% off the normal $7.99. Icon's G2 1/2-inch drive 26-inch extra long ratchet with a comfort grip, $59.99. Save 20%. Pittsburgh's 30-ton. This is a 30-ton, huge hydraulic bottle jack. This don't pick it up. You probably don't need to lift it. Save $30, $89.99, down from $119. Pittsburgh's 2,000 pound capacity 2x6 half-inch web lifting sling, $6.99. That's a full 30% savings off the $9.99 normal price. Here's a nice set of Icon 3/8-inch drive professional shallow sockets. Very nice looking set. Anyway, it's come in a nice little plastic case there. Save 28%, down to $24.99 from $34.99. Pittsburgh 6-inch digital calipers, $18.99. Bauer's hook and loop universal pattern sanding disc. This is a 5-pack now. Save 33%. Get them for $3.99. U.S. General 72 by 22-inch work center hutch. Save a full $70 with your Inside Track Club membership. $579.99 this month. Pittsburgh 2 options, SAE or metric. Double-end flare nuts. Save 29%. Pick them up for $11.99, down from $16.99. Icon's 8-inch needle nose pliers, 18% off to $17.99. Icon's 3/8-inch drive professional semi-deep socket set, save 25%. That is a deal for the mid-range. Very handy. $29.99, down from $39.99. Bauer's 1.6 amp variable speed rotary tool kit with flexible shaft, 21 pieces. Save 18%, down to $64.99. Here's Pittsburgh's extendable adjustable wrench for $15.99. Save 20% off $19.99 normal price. The U.S. General's magnetic tray with screwdriver holder. These are on sale now, 37% off. That's about as low as I've seen them. $9.99 during the month of July with your Inside Track Club membership. Here's Bauer's 18-inch roller tool bag. Save 22%, down to $69.99 from the normal $89.99. U.S. General's 1/4-inch, 3/8, half-inch multiple rail socket tray. This says it's for the metric sizes. $14.99, save 21%. Pittsburgh's pry bar, it's a pry point bar, save 17% to $22.99. Wire pliers rack from U.S. General, save 23% from $12.99 to $9.99. Bauer's 12-amp plug-in corded electric jet fan blower, save 28%, $54.99, down from $76.99. Another Icon deal here, save $30 on this nice 3/4-inch drive, 26-inch long ratchet for $89.99. Pittsburgh steel lever barrel pump. Save 18%, $17.99 off the $21.99 normal price. Here's Bauer's oscillating edge belt and spindle sander. Save $30, $169.99 from $199.99. Here's U.S. General's sister to the metric version of the socket tray for $14.99. That's a 21% savings. Bauer's 8-inch stationary buffer, save $20, down to $99.99. These are super handy. I've got some. They're actually another brand, but it looks just like that. Top your buckets. I mean, these are so simple to set up your electrical bag, your contractor's bag, your general purpose hammers and screwdrivers bag, whatever. You can have 2 or 3 of these, tons of pockets, and then when you need something like your sockets or your spigot or whatever you happen to be working on at the moment, you can put it down inside the bucket, carry the whole thing right to your work site, and have your tools and your parts right there handy. Highly recommend this. Save 20%, $7.99, down from $9.99. Icon's Master Technician Premium Gloves, save 20%, get them for $19.99. U.S. General's Magnetic Steel Parts Tray, save 27%, pick that thing up for $12.99. Here's Pittsburgh's 10-inch adjustable demolition pry bar and wrench. Save 25%, pick it up for $14.99, down from $19.99. Then we've got U.S. General's magnetic tray with screwdriver holder. They also have this one off at 37% off of the $15.99 price, and it's got all the popular colors. So I do highly recommend. hopefully these few items helped out. I was trying to showcase just some of the, what I call the better deals. All of them are deals if you need them. Hopefully you can run out there, and if you hadn't used your 15% coupon, you go on and jump on that. That's good for today and tomorrow. That one right there. So you can get that off of any item. And that's Inside Track Club or regular. Doesn't matter if you're a member or not. So hopefully these deals have helped. I'll try to drop those new coupon deals for the super coupons shortly. And until the next video, y'all have a great holiday and take care.